Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Trend Profit. I hope you all are doing great. So in previous videos we have seen how to switch between different charts and how to rate candlesticks and use different time frames and multiple windows. So you haven't checked the previous videos, please check, and if you are new, please like and subscribe because we are making more and more videos for the basics for the trading and analysis of charts and the financial freedom. So please like and subscribe for the upcoming videos. So today we are going to see what is support and resistance, a very basic type of analysis, but mostly and widely used and effective most of the time. So by support means what? Support means it says support from which it is taking the support and from where the price is not falling. So if something has support of something, then that support don't let that thing fall, right? And resistance means like it has some resistance. So if there is resistance in front of something, then that thing will not move from that resistance, right? So how to draw a support and resistance? So first we will see how to draw a support line. Okay, so as you can see, price from here it went up till here, then it again came down. So but from here again it went up and again it came down, but from again, so you can see the price is moving. The price is moving up from this point, right? So we can say, or from this point, so we can say there is some kind of support. Okay, so what we can do, we will draw a support line. So for drawing a support line, you have to go in this second option and click this arrow, and here you can see horizontal line, right? Or you can use trend line also. So first I'll show you from the horizontal line. Click the horizontal line and just let's suppose till this. Yes, so it will draw a horizontal line, and as you can see, from this to this, and price is moving up and coming down to this horizontal line and taking support, and then again it is going up, and then again it is going down, and again it is going up from this point also. So how you can use this support line? So let's suppose you know that okay, price went from here to here, then again it came down, then again it went up from here. So we had this one support here, and then we have this a confirmation of previous support. Okay, previously it went from here to here, and then it again came down, and it again went up. So now we have a confirmation of this support. So what we can expect, that when the price is going to come down, it is going to take support here, right? And we will take the entry here, right? And which might give us the profit, right? So now I'll draw the resistance line. Again you have to go here and select the horizontal line. Okay, and as you can see, there is rejection, there is rejection, there is rejection. So there is obviously some resistance. So what we can do, we can do like this. So I'll just change the color of this, so for better understanding, let's make it red and little like this, more white, and let's make it green, and yes. Okay, so as you can see, this green line is acting as a support line, and this red line acting as a resistance line, right? So whenever the stocks comes at the support area, you can take the entry and book the profit till the next resistance, right? So this was the first support, this is the second support. Second support is acting as the confirmation, right? We are not taking a trade blindly, so we have confirmation. So what we'll do, we'll wait for the third time. Okay, if the third time this candle or the price is coming to this support, what I will do, I will wait till this support line and we'll see whether the price is going up or not. So it came till here, it made the red candle and then it made the green candle again. Other confirmation. Okay, the first confirmation is that this is the support line, and the second confirmation is this, that we have a green candle, so it will go up, right? So how much it will go up? It will go up to next immediate resistance line, and yes, it went to this next resistance line and then again it went down. So that is how support and resistance works in very simple term, right? It's mostly used and it is one of the oldest techniques. And see, no technique is perfect. As you can see, it taken support here, it taken support here, it taken support here. At this time it went down, right? It tried to come up again, but again it went down and more down. So sometimes it works, sometimes it not, but if you do a proper analysis, it will work most of the time. And you should do the risk management also. That is, risk management is more important than the support and resistance or any type of analysis. So I'll be making a video on the risk management also, so please like and subscribe for the upcoming videos. So this was the support. So we can also adjust it, you know, we can say okay, there is a wider range, it taking support at this line also, right? So there are different ways of doing the support and resistance. So but in general terms, we have to see the multiple time confirmation of the price at particular point and draw the support line there and resistance line there. And how to take trade at the resistance line? So when the price is going up, what you will do, you will sell and then you will buy when it come down, right? So at the resistance line you are taking the entry and you know you are getting exit at the support line. So that is another way of doing it, also known as the short selling. So I'll be explaining the short selling in the upcoming videos. So this is how a support and resistance is drawn and trade is, you know, taken. So till then, bye bye, take care, and please like and subscribe for the upcoming videos, and enjoy this beautiful beach scene after this video. Thank you.